Today I'm going to be looking at this grill kit in a bag, and the timing couldn't be better because this weekend is the first weekend that we're doing an actual family gathering here at the tiny house. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo these for you, give you a recipe for my corn salsa, and give you my honest opinion on this set. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video, as well as my excitement realizing that I have what I need in this kit, are my own. Okay, so this comes in a really nice carry bag, which I love, and it's heavier than I expected, so that means that there's probably more utensils in here than I expected. This kit literally has everything, starting with the cutting board. You have a set of tongs, which I'm gonna use to roast the peppers for the corn salsa. It even comes with scissors, really, this is phenomenal, and the scissors have that little on the side. Then you have a fork. This knife looks really nice, and I needed a knife to chop the cilantro and the onions, and I did not have one like this, so I'm very excited about that. There's a juicer, which I'm gonna need for the limes for the corn salsa. We have a spatula. We have a basting brush, which I'm not gonna need today, but I do use occasionally. There is a can opener and a bottle opener. Grill cleaning brush, and then if you wanted to roast marshmallows or hot dogs, they include 5 telescopic skewers. So this is just a phenomenal set, and it comes in this really nice carry bag, and everything has a little place. It's fantastic. Because I have a lot of chopping to do, I'm going to use a larger cutting board, but you can use the other cutting board. This is the knife that comes in this set. I'm also making a pasta salad that required that I chop up a cucumber, so I started with that. And let me tell you, this knife went through that cucumber so quick and easy, it was fantastic. Next, I moved on to charring the peppers. Typically, I would do this on the grill, but I did not have any charcoal today, so we're doing this on the stove. You definitely don't want to do this on an electric stove. Only do this if you have the gas burner. But the tongs were super helpful to move these and rotate them and get the nice char on all sides. You're also going to need 3 pounds of sweet corn and about 1 green onion chopped. I normally buy the whole green onions, but they didn't have any, so we're using pre-chopped today. Finally, chop your 2 poblanos, 1 jalapeno, and a bunch of cilantro, as well as 1/4 of a red onion. Then we're going to use the juice of 2 to 4 limes. It depends on the size and how much juice they give off. Normally I do this by hand, but this little juicer is so amazing. The lime juice is to taste, so you're going to start with maybe the juice of 1.5 limes or 2 limes, and then mix everything together and give it a taste. If you need to add more lime juice, go ahead and add more lime juice. Then add some freshly ground sea salt, again to taste, and thoroughly mix everything together and enjoy.